Hello guys, welcome back to Ankita's kitchen, and today we are going to make this amazing and very easy snack recipe, that is cheesy triangles. So let's quickly get it started. Here I've taken a large bowl. To that will crack open 6 eggs, 2 egg for each individual. To that we'll add some freshly cracked pepper, some salt to taste, some green chilies, you can skip that, some chopped onions, some capsicum. Whisk everything well. To that we'll finally add some oregano. Mix well. Very quick recipe. Now I have some olive oil heating up in a pan. There we'll pour the egg mixture and we'll add a tortilla. We'll flip once you feel the sides are cooked. So we'll flip it. That's a big task in this recipe. So once you flip it, we'll add some mozzarella cheese. You can add as little or as much you like. Make a cut and fold it. And your cheesy triangles are ready to be served. Serve this with some hot sauce or ketchup if you like. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments down below. I'm just checking if the cheese is done. And guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.